Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Going further in the Outlook integration series, if we click on New, we have already seen how to create a new sales code. Today, we are going to see how to create a new sales invoice and sales order. To create a new sales invoice from the Business Central add-in, first click on Sales Invoice. Here, we will fill in the details for the customer in the General Fast tab. Then we will go to the Lines Fast tab and select an item to sell. Fill in the quantity like we do in Business Central. Scroll further to see if the other details are correct. Then click on More Options and select Post and Send, or select Post to post it as a posted sales invoice. We can also create a new sales order. It is almost the same process. To create a new sales order, select Sales Order, then fill in the details in General Fast tab. Go to the Lines Fast tab, select the item that you want to sell and fill in the quantity to sell. Then scroll further to check the rest of the details on the lines. Here on the sales order, we need to fill in the quantity to ship and the quantity to invoice. It is already filled in. Then we will again select More Options and select Post to post this as an order. Here we will select Ship and Invoice. If you want to view the posted sales order, you can click on Yes. Then you can go back. There are 2 more documents left that we are going to cover in the further videos. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Do like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the new updates. Thanks for watching.